Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting with what matters: apps installed and permissions granted. First, open Quick VPN and sign in so the tunnel is ready. Then launch Capcut. Make sure Capcut can access storage and the network. Once done, switch back to Quick VPN and choose a nearby server for speed. Close geographic distance reduces lag. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so the VPN stays active while editing. This gets you into the first actionable state without delay, ready for connection. Now, connect Quick VPN and configure it for Capcut. Choose a server optimized for streaming or low latency, then enable split tunneling so only Capcut traffic goes through the VPN. This preserves speed for other apps. Once connected, open Capcut and test a small upload or preview to confirm functionality. Check your public IP from a simple settings check in Quick VPN to ensure it changed, and monitor ping for stability. If upload stalls, try switching servers to find a faster route. Finish by restarting Capcut after the VPN connection is established. This forces the app to recognize the new network route. Export a short test project to validate upload and export speeds. If you face issues, first toggle split tunneling or switch to a different VPN server, because many problems are routing related. As a key troubleshooting tip, revoke and regrant storage and network permissions for Capcut. Permissions sometimes reset and block file access when a VPN changes network profiles. That single step often resolves the most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.